Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, like we have Arrican app in Canada, we have MPC Mobile Passport Control app launched by CBP in USA. So we'll go through this, but before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, as you see that I have downloaded and installed this app. This app is free of cost and you can download it from Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. So there's no fee for it. And as you can see, they have described some information. US citizens and Canadian visitors can simplify their entry into the United States via their mobile phone. With one mobile phone, you can complete your entire family submission, present your QR code receipt to CBP upon arrival so that they can pull out the information like what you have entered, and then they will process you case by case. So with this, you can save traveler information ahead of time on travelers tab. Okay, all the information is stored on a device and secured with a 4-digit pin. You can control your data at any time. You can delete the data you have saved on the more tab under manage data option. Okay, click on next. Begin your entry process. Select the mode of entry, either airplane or cruise ship. Select up to 12 family members. Select your port of entry and terminal. Answer CBP questions when you arrive. Submit the form. So this is for airplane and cruise ship. Okay, ready, let's go. Declaration, you can read it. Acknowledge. So you can see like US airport. Select your mode of entry, how you are going to enter. So let's say you're coming through US airport. Travelers. Okay, so you need to click add traveler. Add traveler. You can scan your passport or you can do manual entry. Okay, so I'm just putting some sample. Of course I won't be submitting this. Okay, country. So this is for US and Canadian citizens only. Okay, so if I select Canada, so passport expiration date, so I'll just put some sample. Okay, you can design a pin for you, so I'm just gonna put okay, confirm. You can enable biometric login, but I'm skipping it, so you can go through it. If you want to make any edit, you can always edit. Okay, you can add the travelers and you can provide information. Okay, but let's say you are done. Next is your travel information. Once you have added the traveler, so where you are entering, let's say Los Angeles. Okay, which terminal? Okay, proceed. Knowledge. Now these are the custom questions. Be very careful and honest, guys. No, am I transporting currency or monetary instrument equal greater than 10,000 for one? I select no. Required abroad and brought is we understand excess of duty exemption. They have fruit, vegetables, plant seeds. Be very careful, guys. You can be penalized if you put any wrong information. Livestock. Disease agents, agriculture. I select no. So now what is the main purpose of travel to United States? Temporary visitor for business, temporary visitor for pleasure tourism. So let's say you're going for tourism, then you're gonna go for this. Again, it varies based on visa. And but yes, if you group traveling with TN, H1B, FNL or any other visa state, this is not applicable. Okay. John Smith, you can check your answer, and by checking this, you're gonna submit information. It will generate a QR code. So I'm not gonna do that because this is a sample video. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.